Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 25. The spinner in the diagram above randomly stops in any of the numbered reasons. So, given that the reasons are equally likely, what is the probability that the spinner will land in 2, 3, or 4? So we have a few keywords here. Equally likely. Is random stop. And then we have probability. So randomly mean the fact that we let it just, you spin it without put efforts into stop it anyway. Just let it spin until it stop, right? And then equally likely mean you see that it's like the circle. We have a reason, right? Let's say 8 pieces, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 already numbered. So you see each piece or each area is kind of like the same, so equally, right? They are the same shape. The probability is kind of like the outcome, like what is the change that when you spin, the result will be land in 2, 3, or 4, right? So we have this landing is 2, 3, or 4. Okay, so we will have the event, right? The event that you spin the spinner and you spin it, and the result will be one of those 8, right? Because unless the needle is come out of that spinner, right? Otherwise, when it stops, it will land on one of those, right? One out of 8, right? And the probability is the chance that they will stop like at 2, 3, and 4. We can count on that. The probability just like the fractions, you have like kind of like a part over the whole thing, right? So we can land on 2, we can also land on 3 or 4. So that event is called 3, right? 3 space out of 8 space. That's why here we have 3 out of 8. The part is like the event you want it to happen. Over the whole mean, it can happen like the whole thing, like kind of like the event that you spin, that will be stopped at a point, and where can it stop? It can stop any area from 1 to 8. The event you want is stop at 2, 3, or 4. So the whole in this case is any numbers or any positions or reason on the spinner. This one we can call it reason you want the spinner to land on. Or to land in. In this case, it's 2, 3, 4. The reason numbers. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 total. Okay? So the answer quickly, 3 over 8. You have 8 reasons total, and you only want to land in 3 out of 8. It's the same answer if they're asking if it lands to 1, 2, and 3, right? The answer is still the same because they're equally likely. So it would be 3 out of 8. How about 2, 5, 8? Still the same, 3 out of 8. Because that's the how many reasons you want it landing over how many reasons you have, right? The whole thing. Or if they're asking what is 1 and 4, right? If it's 1 and 4, it's only 2 out of 8. 8 is the total reason we have, right? If it's only 1, it will be 1 out of 8. If it's 4, it's 1 out of 8. Because 4 right here is the reason, the label. Okay? This is the label, the reason number. While this one is we count. We count on how many reasons we want the spinner to land in. At the bottom is how many reasons total we have. Thank you for participating in this series. See you next time.